Hi everyone, just thought I'd pop on this afternoon and share with you what I'm doing in the greenhouse at the moment. This year I want to try and grow a lot more edible flowers than I have done before. I got into it a little bit last year during lockdown and it's been quite fun actually. I didn't realise there were so many flowers that you could eat. I've obviously nipped into the greenhouse in between the horrendous hail downpours that we've had all afternoon, so hopefully the sun will stay with us for a bit. Just going to be using some fab pots from Green Tones. They've sent me a few to try out for them. I've used them before for my cucamelons and a few sunflower seeds which have come along really well in them. They're an eco-friendly pot made from bamboo fibres. It's fantastic. I'm really pleased. They're such fun. Let me just show you the colours. Look at all that. Rainbow colours. I absolutely love them and they're going to be amazing for the edible flowers. I'm going to try and match the flowers to the pots. So if gardening wasn't tricky enough, I'm going to try and do that. I'm sure we can find colours in nature that match those glorious pots. So the first flowers I'm going to try today are Borage. They are fantastic plants for pollinators. You can eat them in salads, you can put them in ice cubes. They are really fun. They actually smell and taste like cucumber. Really good for the garden. And they do say that once you've planted borage in your garden once, you'll never have to plant it again because it self-seeds like crazy, which is fantastic. The ones I'm going to do today, I'm actually going to give to friends and family now that we can sort of start meeting up properly. I'm really looking forward to that. So I've got a couple of the blue pots, the little small square ones. They come with out holes popped in the bottom, but it's so simple. I literally just put a flathead screwdriver into the bottom, turn it, it pops out the holes ready for the drainage, which is great. I've just got some peat-free compost here. Just going to pop some of that into the blue pots. A little bit of perlite is mixed in with that as well. Just makes it a bit more sort of free draining, which is great. Just fill it up really to the top of the pot. Doesn't really matter. Borage is super easy to and quick to sow and to germinate, so that would be great for the greenhouse. Just pop this down. So I'm going to do 2 seeds to every pot. They're just little black, look like apple pips really. 2 of those to a pot, 1 in each diagonal corner, 1 on there, 1 on there. Super easy to sow. Cover them over with a little sprinkling of compost. Let me just grab some. Don't need to put them too deep, literally ½ centimetre. Sprinkle your compost over the top. Give them a bit of a water. No shortage of that here today. It's crazy rain, so hopefully you've had some sunshine too. Pop a little label in there, tap it down just to firm the seeds in, and I'm just going to pop those up on the side in the greenhouse. I've got a little plastic propagator lid that I'll just keep over it just to get a bit more warmth in there for germination, but they should be up in 10 to 14 days, so we'll see how we get on and I'll show you what I do with that after that. Thanks a lot, bye.